Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. During the process of using full-side EPS packaging machine, adjusting the position of the welding seam and the tightness of the PE film wrapping can be done by adjusting the touchscreen parameter on site based on the actual packaging situation. As you can see from this video, we will ask Engineer 1 to show us the whole operation process. We can see in the parameter setting page, there are delay stop up film time and delay stop bottom film time. We can adjust the tightness by clamping this PE film in advance or delay. Please pay attention, all the units we used here are all in seconds. Let's change the machine from the manual mode to automatic mode and then click Start button. We can see that the current packaging result is slightly loose. And we can modify the corresponding two parameters as we did to achieve the requested packaging result. As you can see that there are ribs here, which shows the tightness is relatively good. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.